The historic blizzard that paralyzed the Northeast finally starting to wind down, but not before leaving behind massive snow totals, creating some dangerous conditions across the region. The so-called bomb cyclone dumped more than 3 feet of snow in parts of Rhode Island, setting a brand new record. More than 30 inches fell throughout hardest hit areas of Massachusetts. Officials say it could be days before electricity is restored to more than 250,000 customers in the state. Over in New Jersey, trees crashed down onto utility lines, leaving many out there in the dark. The storm also brought air travel to a halt, snow burying runways and grounding thousands of flights. Airlines say it could take days to fully recover. You're taking a live look right now at the misery map on FlightAware. Lots of canceled flights coming out of the Northeast there in the last 24 hours. You can see those red circles starting to form over in the Northeast. That shows you the increasing number of canceled flights out there.